as you can see, we're going to be doing a heart-shaped canvas panel from Crafter's Square. I also have Amethyst, Coral, and Lime Green paints. As well, the base is going to be just plain white. So we're going to see how this goes. This is my first time trying out this combination of paints, so it's gonna be interesting. And also one of the first times using a completely white background and not doing like a dirty pour or flip cup. So first I am going to mix up some white. I'm not entirely sure how much I'm gonna need to cover the whole base of it. Imagine quite a bit. I'm just adding water to it. And we'll see how this goes. I think I put a little too much water. Yeah, let me thicken this up a little again. You can always add more paint, but you can't take away the water. Woo! Yeah, that's very, very thin. And I've noticed with these canvases, you could have like quite a bit of paint on it and you can still see the canvas pretty well. So hopefully this is fine, especially when it gets to the edges. Ooh. You live and you learn though, right? A little too much. So I kind of have an idea of how I want this to go, but we shall see. And these are the ready-made pouring paints. See, this is not my anticipated plan how I wanted it to go, but you know, wing it along the way. That's cool how it's already spreading though. Should I do more? Yeah, I'll do more. Start that in this time. See, I wanted to go more down here, but that's fine. It's fine. It's all good. See, that's pretty neat. You can tell like the white paint's like pulling away, but you can always go back over and do it again. That's really pretty. Wow. That's really pretty. Now for the other side. And I love how it's like the heart canvas too. I think it fits it so well. Wow, it's really, really pretty. I think you can't go wrong with these kind of pours. Like, just want a little too much. What color? Why not? A little bit of each and we'll see what sticks. Yeah, I do wish my white was a little thicker, but I feel like this works out too. I feel like this is the kind of thing you can keep fidgeting with it, but if you don't stop, you'll mess it up, get too blended. I really love this. Thanks for watching, guys.